hao.
Ni hao.
Today we are going to learn another 10 common words and expressions in Chinese. Let's start with me, he, she, and you. Me in Chinese is 我. 我.
我
Now it's your turn. You say 我.
我
我. You in Chinese is 你. Say it with us.
你
你.
你
She and he in Chinese is 他.
他
Say it with us.
他
他.
他
When you meet someone, you greet him with 你好,
Ni
which means
hao.
hello. 你好.
你好
你好.
你好 means hello in Chinese.
Another way to greet a person is to ask 你吃过了吗?
你吃过了吗
It means have you eaten yet? 你吃过了吗?
你吃过了吗
你吃过了吗?
你吃过了吗 Now it's your turn.
你吃
过了吗 Hi Yasmine. Hi Leon. Leon, 你吃过了吗 Ate vegetables and pasta. Don't need to tell me what you ate. 你吃过了吗 in Chinese is like hello.
Let's learn how to say I love you in Chinese.
我爱你
我爱你. Now,
Who are you? I am Tinkerbell. Please don't hurt me. I will not hurt you. 我爱你
when you want to tell someone to take a look at something, you say 看一看. Take a look. 看一看.
看一看
看一看.
看一看
Now you say 看一看.
看一看
看一看.
Yasmine, 看一看 a bird. Leon.
Another common expression in China is 我听不懂, which means I don't understand. There are so many different dialects in China that sometimes Chinese people don't understand each other and they say 我听不懂.
我听不懂
我听不懂. Now it's your turn. Say it.
我听不懂 Hello, Yasmine. Hello? Yasmine? Leon? What ting budong? I don't understand. What ting budong?
When someone has a birthday, you wish him happy birthday. 生日快乐.生日快乐.生日快乐. Now it's your turn. 生日快乐. Today is Leon's birthday.
We're getting ready for the party. Wow!
生日快乐. Happy birthday. When you want to ask someone if he or she wants something, you ask 你要不要?你要不要?你要不要? Now you say 你要不要?
Choppy ran away. I have a many dogs. 要不要？我不要，我要 Choppy.
There are so many shops and markets in China. When you want to shop and you want to know the price, you ask how much is it? 多少钱?多少钱?多少钱? Now it's your turn. 多少钱? And if you think the price is too expensive, you say 太贵了.
太贵了，
太贵了.
太贵了，
Now it's your turn. 太
太
贵
贵
了.
了。Bags and suitcases, bags and suitcases. Oh, this pink one looks nice. 多少钱? How much is it? $8. 太贵了, it's too expensive. This is my best price.
When you want to ask a person where is something or someone, you say 在哪儿?在哪儿? Yasmine 在哪儿
Leon 在哪儿 Yasmine 在哪
？Daddy 在哪儿
Daddy's behind the camera.
Where is Daddy? Daddy 在哪儿
25, 26, 27. Leonie 在哪儿 Leonie 在哪儿 Leonie 在哪儿 Who is it? No.
The last expression for today that is easy to remember and I'm sure you're going to love it is Mama Hoo Hoo, which means so-so. Say it with me. Mama Hoo Hoo.
Mama hoo hoo.
Mama Hoo Hoo.
Mama hoo.
Now it's your turn. Mama Hoo Hoo.
Mama hoo hoo. Yasmine, do you like Toy Story? Mama hoo hoo. So. Our videos are better.
That's it for today, guys. Bye-bye.
再见. Bye.
再见.
Do you want to have more exciting moments with us? Join our channel. Give us a thumbs up.